Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share latest 3D wallpaper designs. Transforming your plain walls into captivating work of art. Join us as we explore a plethora of innovative ideas and techniques to elevate your interior decor game. From mesmerizing geometric patterns to lifelike nature scenes, discover how 3D wallpapers can breathe new life into any room. Whether you're looking to create a statement feature wall or revamp an entire space, this video is your ultimate guide to unlocking the potential of 3D wallpaper designs. Get ready to unleash your creativity and make your walls the envy of all your guests. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more inspiring home decor tips and tricks. Let's get started. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day ahead. Take care. Bye-bye.